special tooth. Nope. Don't think so. But actually, I think I might keep that one.
Can you show me what you're doing?
Yeah.
What are you making? That is completely gorgeous. I love the colors that you used, and I love...
Yeah, and actually I don't want to make it into a necklace.
No? What are you going to
I
make
want to, like, craft it somewhere and cut it and...
You love crafting, don't you?
Yeah.
What is your favorite crafting to do? What's your favorite kind of crafting so far?
So far... sewing a few pearls.
Yeah, you really like making necklaces, sewing pearls on your lanyard.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. I definitely agree. And if pearl won't fit, then what do you do?
Hiccup. I know. Sew the beads on.
Yeah, but what if the bead won't fit on your lanyard? What do you do then?
Put pin with a safety pin.
But who does that? You don't do that, right? Because that's really dangerous.
Oh, Mommy. You didn't have these shows?
You have the hiccups. You need a good scare. You need when you need Mommy to pop boo out on you and scare you.
Boo! And that scared myself.